Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, we're going to explore the amazing story of Lord Shiva. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends who want to improve their English listening skills. If you subscribe today, may Lord Shiva bless you with peace and happiness because you're helping this channel grow. If you share this video with someone, may Lord Shiva bless you even more because you're helping someone learn something new. And wait, I have a special surprise just for my subscribers. I'll reveal it at the end of the video, so make sure you watch till the end. All right then, let's get started. Happy listening. The story of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is one of the most important gods in Hinduism. He is known as Mahadeva, which means the great god. People love and worship him because he is kind, powerful, and takes care of the world in many ways. He is part of the Hindu trinity: Brahma, the creator; Vishnu, the preserver; and Shiva, the destroyer and transformer. But don't be scared by the word destroyer. In Hindu belief, destroying means removing what is old and bad, so that something new and good can grow. Shiva makes sure the cycle of life goes on forever. Let's learn the amazing story of Lord Shiva, his life, his family, and the lessons he teaches us. What does Shiva look like? Lord Shiva is easy to recognize because he has special features. He has a third eye on his forehead, which shows his power to see beyond what normal eyes see. He has a crescent moon on his head and the holy river Ganga flowing from his hair. He wears a snake around his neck, called Vasuki. He sits on a tiger skin and lives on Mount Kailash in the snowy Himalayas. He holds a trident, trishul, and a damaru, small drum. His body is covered with ash. And sometimes he dances the cosmic dance called Tandava. How did Lord Shiva get his third eye? There is a famous story about Shiva's third eye. Once, the god Kamadeva, the god of love, tried to disturb Shiva's deep meditation to make him fall in love with Parvati. Shiva was so angry that he opened his third eye, and a fire beam burned Kamadeva to ashes. But later, Shiva forgave him and brought him back in an invisible form. This shows that Shiva's third eye represents wisdom, power, and the ability to burn away lies and evil. Birth of Shiva. Many stories describe how Shiva came to be. Some say he was there from the beginning of time. He was not born like humans, but has always existed. He is sometimes called Adi Yogi, the first yogi. He meditates for thousands of years for the good of the world. Some legends say Shiva appeared as a huge pillar of light that had no end or beginning. This is why he is called the endless and formless god. Shiva and Mount Kailash. Lord Shiva lives on Mount Kailash, the holy mountain in the Himalayas. He sits there in meditation with his wife Parvati and their children, Ganesha and Kartikeya. Mount Kailash is considered so sacred that many people make pilgrimages there to pray and walk around the mountain. It is said to be the center of the universe and the home of Lord Shiva. Shiva the Yogi. One of Shiva's names is Mahayogi, which means the great ascetic. He loves to meditate deeply, away from all the noise of the world. He teaches people the importance of inner peace and self-control. He also invented yoga, which helps people keep their body and mind healthy and calm. That is why many people doing yoga say Om Namah Shivaya, a chant that means I bow to Lord Shiva. The story of Shiva and Parvati. A beautiful part of Shiva's story is about his love for goddess Parvati. Long ago, Parvati was born as the daughter of the mountain king Himavan. She loved Shiva deeply and wanted to marry him. But Shiva was busy meditating and did not pay attention. Parvati did hard penance, tapasya, for many years. Finally, Shiva saw her devotion and agreed to marry her. Their wedding was grand and beautiful, attended by gods, sages, and divine beings. Parvati is known as Shakti, which means power. She is the energy of Shiva. Together, they show that life needs both peace and power, calmness and energy. Shiva's children. Shiva and Parvati have two famous sons. Lord Ganesha. Ganesha is the elephant-headed god. He is known as the remover of obstacles and is loved by everyone. He was created by Parvati. Once, Shiva cut off Ganesha's head by mistake, not knowing he was his son. To make it right, Shiva placed an elephant's head on Ganesha's body and blessed him to be worshipped first in every prayer. Kartikeya, also known as Murugan, Skanda, or Subramanya. He is the god of war. He rides a peacock and has a spear. He is brave and leads Shiva's army against demons. Why does Shiva wear a snake? The snake around Shiva's neck shows that he has no fear. The snake, Vasuki, represents the endless cycle of time. By wearing it, Shiva shows he controls time and death. The story of Ganga. One beautiful story is how Shiva saved the world by holding the river Ganga in his hair. Once, the river goddess Ganga wanted to come to earth, but her powerful flow would have destroyed everything. So the people prayed to Shiva for help. When Ganga came down from heaven, Shiva caught her in his thick, matted hair and gently let her flow to earth. This is why you see Ganga flowing from his head in his pictures. The blue throat, Nilkant. Another famous story is about Shiva drinking poison. During the churning of the ocean, Samudra Manthan, the gods and demons were trying to get Amrit, the nectar of immortality. But first, a deadly poison called Halahala came out and threatened to destroy all life. Shiva stepped in, drank the poison, and held it in his throat without swallowing. His throat turned blue, so he is called Nilkant, the blue-throated one. He saved the world by taking the poison inside him. Lord of the Dance, Nataraja. Shiva is also known as Nataraja, the Lord of Dance. His dance is called the Tandava. It is a powerful dance that creates, preserves, and destroys the universe. Many statues show Shiva dancing inside a circle of fire. His dance teaches us that life is always moving. Creation and destruction are part of the same cycle. Devotees of Shiva. Millions of people worship Shiva. Mondays are special days for his devotees. During the month of Shravan, people fast and visit Shiva temples. The Shiva Linga is his symbol. It represents his endless energy. People pour water, milk, and offer bell leaves to the linga. There are many famous temples of Shiva, like Kashi Vishwanath in Varanasi, Kedarnath in the Himalayas, Amarnath in Kashmir, Somnath in Gujarat, and many more Jyotirlingas across India. Important lessons from Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva's stories teach us many good lessons. 1. Meditate and stay calm. Even in a busy world, inner peace is powerful. 2. Destroy your ego and bad habits. Make space for new, good things. 3. Respect nature and animals. Shiva loves mountains, rivers, and creatures. 4. Be brave and strong. Face problems like Shiva faced poison. 5. Balance life. Shiva meditates, dances, loves his family, and saves the world, all at the same time. Why people love Shiva? People love Shiva because he is simple. He wears no gold or crown. He lives in the mountains with snakes and animals. He does not care about riches. He blesses everyone, gods, humans, demons, anyone who truly prays to him. He shows that no matter how powerful you are, you should stay humble and kind. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for listening. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now and join our family. I'll share another interesting story tomorrow. What topic do you want next? Tell me in the comments. I love reading your ideas. Don't stop here. Watch my other videos too. You'll discover more amazing stories and learn new English words every day. See you soon, and may Lord Shiva bless you.